Okay, so this is the third activity, hint. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, can I get this for Myeong-dong class? They're giving thumbs up to the chef. Cooking class? Cooking class!
You're getting cooking class.
On top.
We'll be making 3 dishes.
Ooh, yeah?
Including
sundubu. Yes, that's why.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, welcome to day 3.
Day 3.
The surprise has been revealed. You guys stayed tuned and watched that part of the vlog. Sango came and surprised me with this cooking experience. Cooking Korean food. This is the first proper cooking class we're doing together.
Yes.
Cooking a culture's food that we have never done before. And can't wait for it.
So we're currently heading towards Seoul Station and we're meeting up with Anne and 2 other people who's going to be joining the group class. So
Yeah, I'm going to be cooking sundubu. Literally my favorite when I think about home cooked Korean food. Sundubu. It's not myeong-dong. It's not pajo. It's sundubu. That warmth, spice, and the silky tofu. We're gonna pick out fresh sundubu.
Wow!
Alley market we are visiting today. These days, actually, more people like to go to the big supermarket rather than traditional alley market because it's easy to park there. So to encourage people to come to this kind of regular traditional market, the government is a parking lot outside with fence for summertime.
Wow!
Even free delivery service from the traditional market. So actually, yeah, it works.
That's really nice.
What's the market called?
Myeong-dong means is for the lady who gave birth. Because after childbirth, we boil soup with miyeok and we eat miyeok soup every day, 3 times a day. To remember mom, we eat miyeok soup on birthday. So if today is somebody's birthday, everybody asks them, so did you eat miyeok soup today?
Like a museum.
So visiting my friend's house, nobody has things like this. So later, after I grew up, I realized, oh yeah,
Wow.
it was very special. Finished Myeong-dong gown. I wore my own one. My mom really wanted her own time.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm a carnivore. Come on, work. That's where we're going to get my customized foundation. La.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, I can see a little difference. So basically, they have a shade card. You put in your skin, and it basically analyzes your skin tone and like gives you the perfect match foundation. Only seen this on Instagram. This is so cool. It's a bit dark on my skin. Okay, at least get close to night.
Five and
1. Let's go. So we're going to the cash register. This is what the store looks like. Ta-da! Literally, look at all the shade. It gets lighter from here, but so the shade ranges go from like warm, neutral, cool tone, and like literally the shade numbers are insane. Like if you ever come to South Korea, like please stop by. They have like multiple textures as well. Like this is insane. Isaiah just chilling. That was fun. We'll be back in 30 minutes.
no fit check.
Fit check.
What are you
saying? Jiu, Nike, New Balance, Shein, Uniqlo, Jiu. Ha. Onitsuka.
Hangang.
Okay.
Some branch. There's another one that popped up on Instagram.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, let me just start it.
Start
I don't know if it's good. I don't know what it's about, but sorry, yeah, it's good.
Not ready yet. Not ready yet. Coffee. Americano. A long black mud. Wow, yeah, that's how it is. Just like here stealing people's bag of croissant, my friend. I want to prompt my camera somewhere. at how much sweat. But here, Zenzen matte. The foundation, Zenzen still matte. Up here is Shu and Mura. Literally, you can feel the top layer right there peeling off. No, it's thinner. Look at this. There.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Hold up.
No. So the.
Hey.
Correct?
Yeah. Tissue bread. Hey. Welcome to Myeong-dong. All right. Do this. Wave bye-bye, the camera's dying. Right in front of Incheon Station for our 7 a.m. flight tomorrow morning. Oh wow, this is nice. This is so much spacious. Oh, our last accommodation, and we got the airport somewhere. Terminal 1, actually. I can actually see Terminal 1.
So we got shuttle buses roll up in the morning. 5:10.